our domain level rating is an amalgam of individual articles that we relate, or that we rate, and then that domain level rating moves. Well, even the New York Times, as journalistically perfect, pristine as it is, we'll have an outlier every once in a while. We'll have an article that's really out there.
There was one actually we came across last week to that very point.
Is you need to be at a URL level, or as people call it, an article level, in order to rate, because and you need to understand the context of that article.
Individual piece and its context and meaning and opinion.
Context is key to understanding intent and understanding meaning, and we can do that now. The biggest problem we have is clients like me for 3.5 decades are not forcing an update of how they are rating that news. They're like set and forget. Oh, I've got my keyword blocking.
Nope.
Yeah, and so we need to train them. It is exactly dynamic, and we need to get people rethinking it, and they'll find a lot more audience there. To your point on stage,
it comes back to good old-fashioned media planning. It's the things that it's the work. It's the work.
Yeah.
So
you've heard me say this before. My very first boss in this industry, before we met, was an ex-Marine from Atlanta, Georgia, and he said, "Son, don't expect what you don't inspect." And that's exactly what we need to do now. We need to interrogate the data better. We need to understand that this set of articles in a category we're blocking called news is actually a gold mine for the business we're trying to grow, and figure out how to open the aperture.
And you can't inspect through one lens. Like, one of the things that we've been working so hard at is like, fine, okay, I can recategorize my keywords. There's the obvious naughties, and then there are all the ones that actually are misrepresented.
Yeah.
I want to be able to match your IAB categories. Yeah. So if I can do IAB 3.0 matching, fabulous. If I can do image recognition, and then all the way through to like semantics, what is the sentence? Yeah. So I think the more we get to that level of multimodal analysis, we and our peers are all moving in that direction.